How is popcorn made? First, workers scoop the cleaned and dried popcorn kernels into a small bucket, weigh them to the specified amount, and then transport them to the roasting workshop. From a small hopper above the large wok, the kernels are poured in, and a small amount of malt powder is added for flavor. With the heat on low, it doesn't take long before the kernels explode. They expand to dozens of times their original size, popping out rapidly. Experienced workers will stop the heating process and remove the popcorn based on the roasting time. The popcorn is then spread out in a cooling hopper below to release heat. It is constantly stirred. The hopper has a filtering screen at the outlet, which will remove any unpopped kernels and broken pieces of popcorn. The filtered popcorn is then sent to the tumbling workshop, depending on production requirements. Different seasonings are added, such as butter, chocolate, caramel, and strawberry flavors, etc. After mixing, the popcorn is once again filtered through the hopper to remove any broken pieces or ones that are too small. Finally, it is transported to the packaging workshop, where it is bagged and the production is complete.